I'm here with attorney David Beester of the World Trade Center Captive Insurance. Thanks for coming, Dave. And I wanted to ask you a few more technical questions about the nature of the World Trade Center Captive.
Sure.
Specifically, obviously, it's not a for-profit captive, correct?
Correct. It's a not-for-profit. It was formed originally by the City of New York, but it's a separate corporate entity.
Okay, so it's specifically for risk sharing and distribution. It has nothing to do about tax advantages or any of the more traditional nuances that for-profit private sector captives are formed, correct?
That's correct. The way it was formed, because it was for such a public purpose, we have an exemption directly from the IRS, and so there's no real tax issues with the company.
Okay, but it still works extremely well for providing a funding and claims processing and management process for risks in the cleanup and redevelopment of the World Trade Center site that was not available in the private marketplace, correct?
That's correct. We're not particularly involved directly in the redevelopment, but obviously the insurance that we were able to provide has allowed the city and the contractors to perform their jobs during the cleanup and to be assured that the claims that were pending against them, which we have now settled, would be handled appropriately.
Okay, so that phase of the project is completely done then, correct? I mean, you don't have any active ongoing real life work that impacts captive claim exposure anymore, do you?
No, we still have some active claims, and then there could obviously...
But the cleanup's done.
Oh, the cleanup is done, yes.
It's in the reconstruction phase at this
Absolutely.
point.
So yes, our policy has a exposure period that ended back in 2002.
So how long do you think it'll be before you're actually able to wind up and close down this captive?
Well, we had an anticipated life of 25 years in the various formation documents. Given the way that the statute of limitations works in New York, we can anticipate probably being around for about that long.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you, Dave.
Sure thing.
Bye.